Welcome to Virtual Play live game development streaming. We're a small indie game company in the Netherlands, making a lot of applied games, but also working on our own entertainment games. We have big plans, including a lot of new technologies and very cool new gameplay ideas. For this stream, we'll be showing the entire process of building our new game Hatchball, which is not really technically innovative, but a mashup of pinball and collecting and caring for cute creatures. My name is Stephan, and I've been programming and making games for over 30 years. When I was very young, I already had two big passions, music and computers. So I'm basically a self-taught programmer from a time before the internet and tutorials, and just studied computer science and artificial intelligence years later. Let's get started.
Hey, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Welcome to the stream. I'm back for another bit of building Hatchball, and I am going to actually get to the food economy finally. I mean, I started with it last time a little bit, but I didn't have a lot of time left because I was still doing some main core, like editor programming things for the hatchlings. But I think I will actually get into that now, so definitely be worth it. And also, let's think. Yeah, I don't have really much else to say. So if you're new here, then just do check out the some of the previous episodes on YouTube. They're all available. And without further ado, let's just get started, I guess. Yeah. Okay. Here we are. Let's see what I did last time. I finished that hatchling type selector and I started a food type system. Yeah, correct. So here we are. Hatchball. I actually I have to put this cooler on. Yes. All right. This time I did check my speed with internet connection before starting streaming, and it looks good. So no issues there. All right. So basically need to make some UI and a system for storing different types of foods that different players can have. So actually not even only storing, but also the system that defines those types of food. So I'm gonna go into the UI, just turn off the pinball part for a bit. I'll go back into simulator. And iPhone 6 is good because it's nice and small. Hey, good evening. So like that. All right. So far we had the main menu, and then we've got the whole pinball. Let's go into the wire flow. From the main menu, we've got the pinball. That's so weird though. It's supposed to move, but well. We've got the pinball, the pinball menu, which gives the level selection. Then we've got, might actually make sense for the wire flow tool to show the name of the menu. That's a nice addition. Okay, I'm gonna go into one bit of where is that? Here? No. Did I just make it into a plugin already? No. Menu system, there we go, editor. Hey, hello. How are you? Let's see. Probably won't see Pete yet. Let's see. So the editor script should be, there, wireflow tool. There it is. here we go. That's all those things. And when drawing the that's quite a bit already. That's fun. Onto GUI. So I am drawing that rectangle there. Well, we'll see. We'll see, maybe. And then let's see. Where am I drawing those? It is definitely in the. Is it not? Oh, it's not in the tools. It's actually a gizmo. Okay, so then I should go through submenu, and then hello, hi Christopher. And welcome to the stream. Were you here before? I can't see on YouTube who's watching actually. So, oh yeah, I got that. That's the buttons. No, I should actually go through the target. Okay. Find object of type button. And then if there's a hot control, if dragging. I didn't even draw anything for those things, so maybe I should not try this right now. Oh, I actually forgot to turn on my mouse scrolling and clicking visualizer. I could do it quickly for each what was it, submenu? Okay. Menu in find objects of type submenu. I would say I draw there, so that's world to GUI point corners. So I get world corners of the the rect transform. So RT would be menu.get component rect transform, and then I would get world corners, and then actually do the same thing here then, but then I would put that GUI bit. I could actually do that because this is on tool GUI. Couldn't I just do GUI? Why do I need to do handles begin GUI? Da 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 da. Target. Not sure if I can't just do GUI dot label and a specific rect. So that's actually the okay. So corners is a okay. Yeah, I should make a rect. So yes, that would be handle. Yeah, that's just one method. It's the wireflow tool that I'm building on. It's very much version 1, so not really bothering with multiple methods here. The corners is going to be the left upper corner, and then yeah, I guess I could use that. I'm not really familiar with that smiley though. So what does that mean? Could just do a string, yeah. So that would be the menu dot name. I'm thinking I don't even need to go through game object. Yes, that needs to be a rect. That's actually the location of the rect. And then it would be getting the size of GUI label. How did I do that again? Calc size, right? Yeah. Super. Let's just say I will keep it the same width as the rect transform itself. That doesn't really make sense. I'm not thinking clearly here. This is a last minute thing I just thought of I wanted to do, but I really hate those GUI label here things here. I'll say new, hold on, it's gonna be I'm going into this one, so that's a vector 2. I don't really know what you mean there. Is it small method? Of course this is not a small method. Let's see, I was calculating the size here so that I could go for size of the width of the rect transform and the height of the font. Oh man. If I just, maybe I could just say new GUI style dot calc size for menu dot name. I think that would also work, and that would give me a rect. With the name, but no, that's not working. Huh. It's not giving me any. Let's see if it gets here anyway. Yeah, it does. Okay, so I do have to do this kind of stuff. I don't remember actually, so just winging it a bit. GUI layout dot label, and that would be just simply and then here this would be this rect. Yep, and then end Oops, what? Oh, there. All right, let's see if that does more. Yes, there we go. And now just putting it up a little bit because it needs to. Let's do this separately. Okay, so GUI content name label. Whoops, is new is that. And then the actual size would be a vector, of course, a vector to, yeah, label size, calculating the size of name label, and then this will be name label, label size. But then I would have this be up, so I should do minus label size dot y. Now it goes up a little bit. It's not enough though, and also it doesn't use that GUI style. All right, so label, can I use, there's a GUI style, so that's weird. So styles, style, editor style dot mini label, guess makes sense. I could use that here as well. There we go. Let's see how that works out. Nice. And now it just needs a little bit of clearing there. Let's say times 1.5. Oh. And there we've got. So that's a little bit more nice. All right. Let's go out of our wire flow tool again. I'll actually commit that. Adds menu names to wire flow editor. Good. That's nice because now this makes so much more sense. There's main menu, pinball map, credits menu, achievements menu, options menu, level configuration, big hatchling. Yes, so now let's see where the actual food or actually like the inventory, that would be storage, where that makes sense to have. I think right now I'm actually leaning toward the fact that hatchery is not the best choice on the main screen. Let's see, logo is there. So for now it's designed like as one big thing that actually fills the whole screen already. I mean, it's nice, but those two buttons, or maybe it is actually in the hatchery. It actually makes sense that in the hatchery there's your storage. So let's do that then. Let's move everything over. Oh, come on. So all those screens, gonna move them there. Hatchery. Still need to make that function as well, but I'm not gonna do all of that now. I want to actually build something nice. Turn off the logo. Yes, here we go. So there's nests, but I think this should be an extra. There should be an extra screen here for the nests. So there's a hatchery, which is actually like your your big building with the hatchlings in there, but also your storage of food, toys, and there's at least like more what would you call it, like, oh man, can't get the word there, vanity items, I guess you could say, like oh man, well, storage. So basically I'm gonna make another, because there's hatchling collection. I think this eggs bit, it should be like hatchling collection, of course, but eggs is also, nests is a separate piece from that. So I'll copy this one and I'll actually make this nests. So that's the nests. Let's just keep it there for now and edit it. Nests. And then there's the nests. Hashlings is not appropriate here. I could just add another one just for this. It doesn't really matter what I do here, but let's just do it like this. And nest 4, and then I will have back there. Yeah, that's good. And then nest screen goes over here, and I will continue on the hatchery screen. Oh, don't need to do that. Hatchery screen has the nests there, and shouldn't have there, but I guess this hatchlings button should go in the button group then, and I'll make another one. Nice. I'll check that out after my stream. Let's see. So that's hatchlings, and then I will have nests. So yeah, actually would be second. So nests, and just like I said, storage, I guess. We'll think about the proper names. Storage. For now, that's it, I guess. So we'll go to maybe I'm now thinking if the bar of your coins and diamonds shouldn't be there all the time, maybe. Because when you're actually going toward a specific hatchling and you want to feed it, then you also need to know the amount of coins if you want to buy food. No, actually, then you need to know the amounts of food. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna go there now. So let's see, hatchery, and then nests. Nests would not need the currency bar then. So nests would need the normal back button location, which is just -8. Yeah. Okay. Oh, oops, wrong one. That one. -8. And that same goes for the title then, I guess. And then the button group can also be more stretched. Cool. Alright, so that's nests. Hatchery has this, still got this overview. Maybe we'll keep it on there all the time, I'm not sure. So that's the nests, and then we're gonna go to those storage bits, but not before I actually link this properly. Nests goes there. Then Then storage. I guess I'll just copy it from this thing, but it's going to be a new type. Well, no, I'll copy it actually. No, I will copy. That's right. This one can go there. And that one will be storage. I will move all that a bit so that it can go here. I can properly edit it. Right. So that will be storage. And storage will just have a couple of tabs because that will be more logical. But after that, I think, yeah, no, I think it's still a scrolling list, so that makes sense. So basically the button group can go here, and I'll make a few tabs here. So those could simply be buttons, like tab bar. Let's see. So the tab bar will be. Whoa, that's insane. How does that change? I'm giving it this. Yeah. All right. So basically 1 and 1. It doesn't really matter where that goes, but left 8, right 8. And then I'll have my bar, and it will go down here, and it will have, this is going to be the tab bar, and it's a horizontal layout group which starts in the upper left. That makes sense. And then this will be the food button. And it goes in the tab bar. And let's just say for now I'm gonna do it with text, but it's probably gonna have icons there. Oh, that one still has an active translation term here. No. Right, so food. And okay. That, yes. Spacing. Something like that. Can I actually place 4 now? Maybe not even. Let's see. No. So I will have to make them smaller. Huh. No. Okay, something like that. And then just do this. Huh. That's not even that bad. That's weird. I do that. Right, so there's tabs now. Makes sense to have them in the, no, it makes sense to have them in the left. For if the screen gets bigger, then it would be like, hey, hold on. No, I would do this actually. Yeah. I would just do 4.5. Yep. All right, so you'd have your tabs and they will still be there. And in the smallest screen, they will be there. All right, so food, we've got toys. We've got, I still, I thought by now the word would have come to me, but it's gonna be like cosmetics items. Cosmetic. That could be like clothes or like other things. And I'm actually not sure about the 4th button. Oh, we could just leave it out for now. Food, toys, and cosmetic. Toys. And then cosmetic. So let's go into the food bit now. There's a tab bar and then there's a tab area. So let's just duplicating this and taking those children out and actually taking a horizontal layout group over, but just so I have the rect there already, and I guess it should just immediately go below the tab bar, which has a weird location, so I'll say 80 and there, 48, yes, of course. Then the height of the tabbed page is gonna not matter. It's gonna go from 0 so that I can do something like that. All right, so there's my scaling tabbed page. And let's think, yeah, that makes sense. And then I'll make a child object here. Just fully filling. And that will be my food page. Oop. So that pages. Food page. Okay, so in the food page there will be a list of foods that I have the opportunity to buy them and maybe get like more info on them. I already have the scrolling. I did make those scrolling things that expand automatically. Oh, they don't. Do they, huh? I thought I'd done that. I did that here though. Scroll view with a viewport and then a text. The text is done. Overflow. Content size fitter. All right. But that does not happen for, yeah, maybe that does work if I do it for these kind of things. Haven't tried that. So content size fitter, vertical fit preferred size. Oh yeah, that does work. I should actually, I should actually use that on all my scrolling thingies. Where's that? Those viewports. That one. Yeah. Nice going on those scroll bars there. Good. I hadn't noticed that. So this is a nice tip for if you're doing scrolling things. You could use the layout group and then still, or a horizontal or vertical layout, and just still have the content size fitter on there. I think that just works because like that, and now the mother object also changes size, which makes the scroll bar fit also very nicely. That is a nice tip, which I should, if I still got this. Yes, there we go. So that's a quick Unity tip. It's the content size fitter. That's simply the tip. I'm going to use it here now so you can see that actually in action when I make some kind of drop down details view for the food. Let's see if that works the way I have it in mind right now. I will simply get one of those scrolling things that I already used so that it's set up correctly. Let's say, I don't know, pick hatchling collection. Yes. Scroll view. that it? Yes, that's a scroll view. Cool. And the scroll view will go into the food page, and over there we'll have the same kind of transform as that thing has here. There. Now this is of course not the thing I want here, so let's see, I can have everything be dependent on each other in a logical way. Viewport, this is still weirdly set up, by the way. Top 50. Yeah, that should be 0. Or actually should be like maybe some distance. And then hatchling slots is not hatchling slots, of course, but that is food. Let's just say food types now. And there's these things that I will remove now, and I'll make this grid layout into a vertical layout group. Come on. Yes. Vertical layout group, and then I will force that to the total width. And that makes sense. Content size fitter is not working here. Or is it? Height is, yeah, driven by content size fitter. Oh, maybe it is actually. Oh yeah, it also fits this. Yeah, I see it. Okay, cool. So basically, if I add another one and another one, yes, now my scroll bar will just totally work. Okay, so adding those, I would add some spacing between them. 4 would be enough for now, and then I'll just remove those again and make this thing work. That's the amount. So basically I want to have the type of food there. Oh, hold on, why is this spaced here? Left 5, yeah, no, left 0, and maybe even top 0. So what's going on there? Viewport 0, food type 0, hatchling slot 0, image 0. It's all aligned up there, but oh, there's something going on there. None. UI mask. Aha. So there we go. That was a masking sprite. Yeah, because it's masked there. Does it work without a sprite? Is my next question. Let's just test that by adding more of these test objects. Yes, it does. Mask still works without a sprite. Nice. Okay, now I can get it to fully fit up there, and now I can actually go and have the food types have a little okay, so content size fitter also controls that, I guess. The viewport could be down a bit. Yes, that's good. I'm gonna do that then. So that the scroll bar is aligned to the top. Food page, scroll view, viewport. Okay, cool. So from the right it has 8. That's this whole thing. Yeah, that's good. But then I don't want that thing to also be. Yeah. So the bar position -5. That's weird. The viewport itself. Okay, so let's give that a couple of pixels there. yeah, let's say 3. Well, pixels, it's actually like more like points. That's not pixels. And then so that hatchling slot should be a food slot, and that shows the just the food type. I'm gonna say lettuce. It would have an image, not this type of image, but an that type of image that is over here, and showing what it is. Then the text would be okay, the food slot itself should be smaller, of course, something like that. And then the text is somewhere near the top. Why is it so high though? Yes, it's 11 high, the text, so that like that. Okay, should I like have some rates here? So this will show the picture, like the food icon, and then that's the this is the name, and that should actually go to the left aligned here. And now for some more info, I should at least have a button. No, I think I should do this. So the yeah. I could do you. Let's see if that works. I could have some kind of details, and they don't need an extra image actually. Let's remove the icon, just details. And then this one could have one of those content size fitters, and that would go preferred size. Whoa, min size? No. Parent has type of layout group component. Okay, that doesn't work because the parent has a content size fitter. This one can't. Oh, because this has a vertical layout group. That is interesting. So if I remove that one, this one doesn't have a problem anymore? No. Still doesn't really work there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is do it differently. I'm going to have these details be a separate object here in the list that just have, yeah. So I'm thinking basically I could do that, have a food slot and then details, and then another food slot and details, and if this one gets turned off, yes, that's good. All right, so those details, like, they would be higher than that. So okay, so that's good then. Then the details thing does need the image at the back. Oh no, that's not gonna work. I'm gonna go back until I've got my image back there. Yes, that's better. Details will go here. We still have details image there, although button can... Oh, there's menu button even. Remove, remove. And that one definitely does not have menu button on there. Yes, okay. That one would toggle the visibility of that one. And there's no way of doing that here. Set active, I can only set it active. So I should still change that, but for now I guess it's okay. Can I, yes, I can do this. That's good. So I basically want to do that, with the whole width. Oh, not that one, this one. All right, so that I have a background, and then name image. That doesn't make sense. Image, just let's just do this and this, and then I will have some extra info. All right. Now for that number, that actually makes sense to be the number of letters that I have. So if it's right aligning, and yeah, then I could just say I probably would not have 1,000 letters, but let's just say I would. Then this would need to be wider, and then the image underneath it, of course, also needs to be wider. All right, let's design. We should still design this, but I guess that makes sense. And then the thing here. I didn't expand it there. So the extra info thing is bigger there. So that when actually makes sense now. I've got this thing, food slot 1 with details 1, food slot 2, food slot 3, food slot 4, 5, 6. Just making sure that this works is, whoa, that's weird. This one, details 1, details 2, nice, that automatically goes along. So once that goes along pretty nifty. Food slot 2, let's just put some types in there for just for testing. Lettuce, beef, apples. What else? Like bread. Let's not eat eggs in this game, I guess. that's gonna be no. Lettuce, beef, apples, bread. I'm gonna go with grass, or maybe just hay. And I don't know what do animals eat a lot. Doesn't really matter. I'll just do carrot. So I've got 6 types here, and if I enable one of those, then the other ones just automatically go down. weirdly enough. Oh, okay, so that, yeah, it only updates on the next frame, and it doesn't get redrawn here. All right, so that should work, though I don't get to like expand and decrease it there yet. But I could use that tab bar there. Maybe I should make it little tab bar script, but it seems a bit overkill right now. Well, yeah, no. These are definitely not menu buttons. Actually, gonna hook that one up. Yeah, storage goes there. Nice. Yeah, so basically if I run it now, it should show me the main menu. Yes. Hatchery. Oh yeah, I need to fix that with the 2D camera, with the orthographic camera. Storage. Yes, there we go. And then this is there. And if I expand apples, there's just apples extra info. Nice. And it all still works. Bread extra info. And then actually maybe the other one should just go back down, go back in. I'm not sure. Well, figure that out. But this does what I meant it to do, so that's nice. Scroll bar works perfectly, so good job, Unity. Good. Let's just go into one more thing, and it would be like buying those things. So I would have one more screen that would be like this details button, I guess, to buy. Storage, food. So the details pane, food icon. Oh, background. Name is the only thing on there now. Then there should be this big button. Let's just copy that from the... I should do some naming. Ah, well. 32 by 32, I don't know, something like that. And that would have a text called plus. And plus means big, plus means more, buy. Mid 0 0 1 1, then 0 0 0, and that's not mid aligned. Need that one. Yes, yeah, I need that one. Cool. That should be a button, and it is not. Buy. And let's just say I'll add button here. And now it's a button that I can use to buy more, but I will keep it at that for now. I'm pretty busy these days, so I have to mind my energy, which means I'm gonna sleep soon, like in an hour or so, so I need to wind down. This is nice. This is at least one very nice. Oh, why did that? Oh, that's now the button. Yeah, I don't need that later. Where's the button here? Oh, yeah, button. Oh, but it doesn't have that. Yeah, of course. Okay. It's nice to have those names there now. It's good. getting more and more useful, that Wireflow tool, but I need to fix the menu flow, and then I think I'm actually gonna add the tabbed thing as an option there, because it's also useful for menu switching. I'll add that next time. No, maybe not next time, but so okay. Basically put down the core UI for this, so that's what I'm gonna commit as well. Oh, oops. Build adds storage screen with doesn't need a comma there, with food inventory. All right, next time tabs, and maybe next time I'm gonna take a moment to fix that way the menus fade in and out, stuff like that, or do that. No, I think I'll do that off stream. I'll actually focus on Hatchball here. All right, pushing that, and while pushing that, I want to thank you all for watching. I'll be back on, what's today? Thursday. So I'll be back on Sunday. This Sunday is not Ludum Dare, right? That's next week. Yep. So I will be back on Sunday evening, same, well, here it's evening, same time. Like it starts exactly 1 hour from like 1 hour ago, and then on Sunday, and then I will. I think I will just continue this and actually put some put the back side of this in, like storing the actual values of different types of foods. Maybe even get a hatchling in there with its like actual storage. Not sure if I can get that far in one session. We'll see about that. For now, thank you for watching. If you like this stream, please like, subscribe, follow, whichever you can. And also, you could always, if you want to support us, please consider becoming a patron. Our Patreon link is in the description on YouTube and in our profile on Twitch. We are a small studio, so it always helps to have them. And saying that as well, thanks to our patron that we have already. It's just one, but it has to start somewhere. Also gonna make more cool YouTube tutorials for like Git, and maybe some bits on animation or other stuff in Blender, or well, other kinds of topics that we've come up with. How to do a proper shared animation stuff. I don't know. That could also, if for that kind of stuff, it also really helps if you could support us in any way you can. Well, enough said. I will leave you with this music, which I've played quite a few times before. It's the music from Berserkle. I composed it in 2012, and this version I made in 2014. It's the adaptive version, has 3 levels of intensity that changed with the game. That's it, signing off, and hopefully see you on Sunday. Thanks, bye.